So here it is, our mpc-1000. You know, stock, it comes with like no RAM at all. You can't load anything with it. You need to do a RAM upgrade. Well, they sell RAM, but it's like a ridiculous amount of money. Here's what you do. You look online for 256 meg PC-133 SODIMM laptop memory RAM. SD RAM is what you need. Basically, you look for that. We buy 256 meg because the mpc-1000 can only read one side of the RAM. You can buy 128 from them and spend like, I don't know, $150 on it. Or you can just buy this RAM online for about $40. I do it through an eBay auction. I'll give you a link on how to find it. Follow me as we go ahead and we upgrade the RAM here, all right? Follow along. As you know, the mpc-1000 comes stock with not a whole lot of RAM. You see on this one it's 16 meg that's installed. So what we're going to do is we're going to upgrade that RAM. First thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure the machine is turned off. And second, it's really important is that you unplug it. All right? Do not try to do anything with the power still plugged in. After you get that done, I'm going to go ahead and flip over the machine. And you'll notice back here is a little box. Right here's a little slot. It's got two screws that hold it in. And two things you want to do here. When working on electronics, you generally do not want to use magnetic tip screwdrivers. And you want to make sure things are grounded. So I have my screws undone here. You open up this, just slides up like that. Now, this RAM will only go in one way. It's kind of idiot proof, which is great. Now you'll notice there's little gold leads there. You want to make sure you don't touch those. It's fairly important. I got my RAM from a reseller. And what happens is you put in this RAM at an angle, then you push it in, and it clicks. Listen. Now it's clicked in. After you do that, you simply throw your panels back in. Make sure they're nice and snug. Make sure they're nice and snug. Hook my power back up. And then we go ahead and turn it on. And you see here, 128 megs of RAM installed. Now with that, I can go ahead and load the beats that I need and the tracks I need for the music I'm making. It's really simple. I have a link right over here on the YouTube video that you can see where I got mine from. And I have the search set up for eBay. Go ahead and use it. You can find it, bid on it. It's all the same. And that's pretty much it. You know, it takes 128 megs of RAM. It's cheaper to buy a 256 RAM chip with RAM on both sides, and it'll read the one side. It's still a lot cheaper than buying the manufacturer's RAM. So you got any questions, you can hit me up, but that's it. All right, y'all, that's pretty much it, and peace.